Finally, then, let's look at the link between a leader's cognitive complexity and their ability to be effective in the face of non-linearity and incomprehensibility, or more succinctly, their ability to thrive in chaos. Now, chaos and complexity aren't the same thing, but they are very closely related and both involve non-linear dynamic systems. Since the link between a leader's cognitive complexity and their effectiveness in chaotic environments doesn't appear to have been researched, I'm going to use environmental complexity as a proxy and demonstrate the link by referring to a study by a pair from Hunan University in China, Yao Yanhong and Zhang Jing. This pair studied the effects of cognitive complexity on leadership effectiveness and the moderating influence of complex environments. In other words, they looked at whether more cognitively complex leaders were more effective in complex environments than their less cognitively complex peers. For leadership effectiveness, they looked at 3 dimensions: individually and in aggregate, organizational performance, employee satisfaction, and employee organizational commitment. Their results showed that there was a positive correlation between leadership cognitive complexity and leadership effectiveness. But they also found that this effect was more pronounced in more complex environments. Now, there was some variance in the individual factors within organizational performance being the most highly correlated and employee satisfaction being the least highly correlated. But that detail aside, the results are quite compelling, showing that greater cognitive complexity results in increased leader effectiveness in more complex environments.